All right, let's talk about this VEVOR wagon because it is such an interesting thing. I have never had a review like this. I'm going to have some things that are not pleasant to say about this and some amazing things. I mean, I really love the shape, the size. This is great. The frame seems nice and solid. They're solid wheels. They're never going to go flat. Has the cool dump function on it. Let me show you that real quick. So really to dump it, all you do is you release this handle and I lift it up, and then to put it back down, you just go like that, and it latches back in place. I mean, that is absolutely genius. So I'm going to split my commentary into two different directions. This, as a wagon, is absolutely on fire, amazing, bang for the buck, really, really good. The construction seems good, the hardware seems nice and solid, the layout's good, and the design is good, all of that. The wagon part is really good. The second part is, unless you are like me and you have a vast supply of tools, you will have difficulty assembling this. Two stupid things. Number one, almost every single nut and bolt on this different part uses a completely different size set of tools. So as you saw, I had pretty much my entire toolbox out here to put it together. And then the last part that is difficult in the tool world is the nut and bolt here are absolutely enormous metric sized nut and bolt. If you bought a basic VEVOR toolkit, you're not going to have sockets or wrenches big enough to put on there. Now, I happen to have like full impact sets and giant stuff because I work on some bigger equipment, so it was no problem for me. But if you just have your basic VEVOR tool set that you bought from them, and those are good tool sets, it's not going to work for assembling this, and you're going to be pretty darn frustrated. Oh, and I will also say the instructions are amazing. They're actually big enough for me to read without glasses, super clear. It's just a stupid selection of hardware that makes absolutely, I mean, it all fits together perfectly, but why would you make every single piece of hardware a different size? Really, really kind of stupid. They could have made more, maybe only had 2 sizes, 3 sizes, I don't know. None of this is under any kind of amazing stress that you need uniquely giant stuff. It was really just either somebody was cheap or not thinking about it. So if you have a good tool set and a little bit of patience, it's no issue whatsoever. This is amazing. If for some reason you just have a basic tool set, this might not be the one for you. If it is the one for you, there's a link on the screen here. There's another one down below. You should absolutely get this. Cannot go wrong with it. If it's not for you, check the VEVOR listings because they're going to have other products which are going to be right for you. I hope this was helpful. If I added value, remember to like the channel, give this video a like, share it with somebody. And right now, YouTube is going to suggest another video which they think is great for you, and they're pretty good at that. So go watch this video.